everyone, it's Sign Pupster. Today I'm going to be tutorial showing you how you actually sell your clothes. The other video I made about how you add clothes to your mannequins, and in this video I will show you how to sell it. It was dropped by a request on YouTube, and so I will always love to help my subscribers and people who need help in Roblox and any way I can. So first, you get a mannequin that has a sell thing on it. Okay, I'll just choose this one. Okay, or I could just use my own, but I'm not sure mine actually has. Okay, yes, mine does have one, and I also allowed y'all to copy it if you want to. So if you like to copy it, no biggie. I don't mind you copying the stuff. So next we tap on this icon right here with nothing on it, and then we select the shirt we want. If you're doing shirt, right here, I'll just use one of my shirts as a tutorial. So you could choose to select the 10 digits code, I think, or select the whole thing for this part. You remove this, or you can just press Control V and press enter. That's what it looks like. The mannequin is like white, so you might think I'm doing the wrong thing. So yeah, it's actually not blending with it. And then we select a pants tool. Copy the 10-digit code, Control C, and we paste it. Okay, and then now the next part is gonna be a little bit challenging. Well, not really, but you have to listen for this part. So right here, this is for the pants. You go to the script, and so this is for the pants ID. So you go back to your pants, and you're not supposed to copy the whole thing. You only copy the 10-digit code, not the whole link. And then for the shirt, you do the same. Copy the 10-digit code. Then you go to top right here, script, and then you paste this, Control V again, and you're done. So let's check it out. Okay. Okay, I really own this stuff, but like if you don't own this stuff yet, it will show the price and everything. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share with friends, drop a comment if you need help or you were confused with anything, and see you next time. Bye.